How to beat levels in Fishdom. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to beat levels in Fishdom. Beating levels in Fishdom is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Understand the goal. Before making any moves, check the level objectives. Example, clearing jelly, collecting gold pieces or breaking tiles. Plan your moves. Look at the board and plan several moves ahead. Use power up wisely. Create bombs, dynamite and lightning bolts by matching more than 3 pieces. Clearing obstacle first. Removing blockers like chain, ice or creates early in the game to free up the board and create more matching opportunities. Use boosters when necessary. Boosters like Amber can be a lifesaver on challenging level. Don't hesitate to use them if you are stuck. And here you go, these are some ways you can beat levels in Fishdom. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.